Welcome back to the Easy English channel. Today we are going to talk about the phrase so as to. So as to is a powerful phrase that makes your language very colorful and rich. If you use this phrase while speaking, then others will turn their head towards you because this phrase has a stylish expression. Now I am going to teach you how to use this phrase correctly and in all its powerful ways. I will provide meaning and example sentences that are very useful to improve your fluency in English. So don't skip the video, watch the video till the end. Then only you will come to know how to use this phrase in right way. The phrase so as to is a formal multi-word conjunction and linking phrase that means in order to or with the aim of. It is used to introduce clause that states the purpose or intention for the action described in the main part of the sentence. Meaning, it specifies the goal or reason for doing something. It is used to express purpose. We can say that it is used to explain why an action is done. Structure. It is always followed by the base form of a verb, the infinitive. Formality. It is generally considered more formal than simply using to or in order to. Based on this meaning, I will give you 9 example sentences. First, we have to study daily so as to pass the exam in the first attempt. Second, she stood behind the tree so as to avoid being seen. It means she stood behind the tree so that she wouldn't be seen. Third, we have to service the car on time so as to avoid breakdown while driving. Fourth, riders must follow the traffic rules so as to prevent accidents. Fifth, you have to be careful with your thoughts so as to keep your mind undisturbed. Sixth, we must be content with what we already have so as to lead a happy life. Seventh, I learn from my mistakes so as to minimize the risk of this happening again. Eighth, he carefully studied the art of napping so as to optimize his ability to miss important phone calls. This is a comedy example sentence. If you read carefully, you will laugh. In this place, napping means a short sleep, especially during daytime. I read out the sentence again. He carefully studied the art of napping so as to optimize his ability to miss important phone calls. Ninth, we can use this phrase in the negative form so as not to. For example, please read carefully so as not to confuse the listener. You have seen the meaning and example sentences for the phrase so as to. Use this phrase and make your language colorful. If you want to become fluent in the English language, you must have the strong determination not to give up until you achieve your results. If you develop this kind of determination, sooner or later you will be fluent in English. That brings us to the end of today's lesson. I will see you in my next video. Until then, this is Satish signing off. Thank you.